see how the market is working, you know what I'm saying? Working overnight. Ah man, beautiful. Live on YouTube if you wanna see like a proper screen. Live on YouTube. Yes. Live on YouTube. Then cannot work. It's moving creatively. It's moving creatively. It's moving sides more. It behaves and go to a much more lower. It behaves and go to a much more lower time frame and check all the progress that the more time frame and check all the progress that the market has been doing. Right, lost the tapping current price. Right, so those are the current trades that I'm holding. Right now. Doesn't make sense. So trades that I'm holding. Trades that I'm holding right now. So those are the trades that I'm holding. So those are the trades that I'm actually really holding. Nasdaq is doing the holding. Nasdaq is doing the same thing as well. We see that Nasdaq is that the same thing as well. We see that Nasdaq is that upside, which is something Right, I'm just waiting for the market to actually sweep Right, I'm just waiting for the market to actually sweep like high and start scaling in trades towards the upside. Doesn't make sense. So yeah, for now I'm just in trades towards the upside. Doesn't make sense. So yeah, for now I'm just really looking side. Doesn't make sense. So yeah, for now I'm just really looking at it before fully it's trade. Right, you wanna see like a proper thingy, you won't be able to interact with me properly because when I go live on YouTube I just record. Be able to interact with me properly because when I go live on YouTube I just record this journey properly because when I go live on YouTube I just record these journeys so that it is, or am I not progressing? Am I still in the same space or am I not? Am I taking more L's? Am I taking more buys? So that's my journal, my little journal basically. So yeah, so that I can see. That's the trace that I'm running, right? Let's head to my, for more information, just head to my strips even overboard, but then we did explain as well, so that's what I'm looking for. Actually, liquidity is then we might look for movements towards the upside. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I don't know who else, but that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm anticipating. So I'm thinking that this high might hold, right? If it might not violate, if it doesn't violate, I think this high might hold. That high might hold, right? So from there probably I might look for bearish movements. So we look, and then the market might mitigate and then drop looking for towards the downside. So that's basically what I'm looking for, right? What I'm looking at, what I'm anticipating. We'll see. Because what I'm chaos, right? That's chaos. And we talked about this. Now chaos is basically when the market hits the wall every single time expecting a different thing. It's insanity, right? These are walls, right? These are walls right here. Get level of this thing. So get my water this thing. So every single time you hit a wall, that wall is bound to be weaker, right? Now what do you call that in simple terms, right? What do you call that in simple terms? What do you call that is liquidity. So that entire part right there, that is liquidity. Does it make sense? So we're just waiting for liquidity to actually try and sweep this liquidity that you're standing on. That is chaos, right? So that's what I'm saying, that if the market does allow us to actually advance towards the upside, I'm going to start looking for bearish movements here. Doesn't make sense. So yeah, that's what I am looking for basically. What's the pair you're analyzing? This is US30, man. This is US30, right? So that's why I'm saying that I'm still based. So we just swept that high right there. You see that? And that's the high that I was looking at, right? And then we swept this, so meaning that this market has been swept. That high has been swept, right? So we have swept that liquidity, right? So we're just waiting to see how the market behaves. But are we still bullish here? For sure, definitely still bullish. Doesn't make sense. So that's basically what I'm waiting, right? If you want to see like a much more clearer chart than this, than the phone view, because TikTok doesn't allow MacBooks to stream via TikTok Studio, so we get banned a lot, right? So if you want things on Capital, and then on YouTube it's basically on my bio is same Capital, right? So yeah, so I'm streaming on both platforms. Market to actually, so that's I'm waiting for the market to at least sweep that high, right? I'm just waiting for it to at least sweep that high, literally, right? So I'm still bullish on both. So we'll see. Right? This all will advance toward the upside. So, right? We want to make sure that it tells us what to do so that we can react accordingly, right? So that's basically what we're waiting for on German 30, German 30 or German 40 as well, stuff like that, right? NASDAQ has been doing the same thing. It's 500. Why? Because it's more technical, right? It aligns more with my style on the NASDAQ. You see how fractal it is, right? I use a technical, right? It's more towards the, so US 500 we have that, right? So we're still waiting for me to be able to consider to scale and trade or buys towards the upside, right? So immediately after I see those highs, I'm going to wait for the market to actually, so that I can take more buys to the upside, right? So that's basically what I'm waiting for right now. So I'm just waiting, basically, but I'm actually running a nice profit. But remember, listen, trying to kill 2 bits at once. Let's wait until the highs are being taken out. So we'll see after highs are taken out, then I can look for scale ins towards the upside, because I see liquidity towards the upside. So I just have to wait and see how the market behaves. So yeah. Isn't it moving beautifully? We just entered the London session. We don't have any. German 30 is moving. Yo. It's like, wow, why aren't you guys like getting the meme? That's the thing. Why aren't the other players getting actually super high? I'll be so happy. See, the market just opened. I should get a bell as well. Market just opened. Market just opened. Market just opened. My chart. Like, if you guys can't see my chart, go to YouTube. People, go to YouTube. Yo! Right now. Easy, and I am pushing and I go follow and stuff. 5 more minutes and then I go black. Check your USD 15 minutes and everything. I got you. Let's keep seeing it. Bye-bye, my baby. Ooh, real great. And I'm flaking around. Okay, it's fine. So this is my overall analysis on USD, right? So this is the daily time frame, right? So anything here. So this is the 20-30% flip, right? Because of that, that's the only reason why I was looking for reactions on that, right? Why? Because my market mitigated what you call this BOS towards the downside. So what does that tell? Continuation pattern, or could be a continuation straight. So I'm sorry about that. Look for sales. Alright, and then this is your liquidity right there. Right? I'd look for sales. Right. So that's your liquidity right there. You see that? I think that looks much more. This becomes your POI. Does that make sense? So what are you looking for? And to go complete that daily. Here. So immediately after that, you wanna see the market do that. Right. So my joy in you press buttons. Yo, I might also press buttons. Let me set thingy about this. Let me join you. I don't wanna lie, I might join you. Okay, if that's the case. So yeah, that's how much we're looking at. Oh, motivity. It's not bad. Yeah. During the aid, now running the $2,000 that he's issuing out. China taking out 25 billion out of it to be alive, to be a forex trader or a trader, to be a trader basically. So yeah, a lot is going on, man. Where there's a problem, we see a business opportunity. Remember that. Where there's a problem, we see money. That's opportunity right there. That's how you make money, right? Look for loopholes and then from there tackle and then become a beast at that, man. So yeah, definitely I'm gonna hit you, boy. I'm gonna hit you, boy. And if only you saved us day, boy. You saved us. Habibi has arrived. Oh yes, it has arrived. It has arrived. Okay, I'm gonna go to a much more higher time frame and let me show you why am I stuck. Oh man, let me show you. I'm too much. I'm too much. So this is a Habibi investment. So the market gained, so I took it back towards the upside, but I saw that this high is not going to be taken out, it's going to into clearation, so I closed this trade. So I was like, I'm going to wait for more opportunities, and then I saw this, so I took continuation patterns towards the downside, and then hit take profit before that, and then from there I was looking for buy towards the upside. So now I'm just waiting for the market to give me any opportunity towards the upside. I'm good. What the entire year? Malum? Still streaming on YouTube, by the way. I'm so good. It's like man. The upside, and then I took these cells. Look at it right now. Look at the precision. Tell you, but you just because I gave you everything. If you've been following the live, you know we've been analyzing this pair for like the longest. And I get, like if you see what happens. If you see what's happening here, you know the next action. You know what to do next. You know what to do. Let me stop guessing myself out. I'm so goated. If you miss this one, it's your fault. Almost. So be patient. US30 is also still trading gold and US30 public market. Yeah, we have gold running and they're all both in profits. Waiting for Euro USD. waiting for USD. 2-hour thingy hasn't tapped in yet. It hasn't tapped into the OB yet, so be patient. Be patient. The candlestick might go up. Sorry, saying candlestick might go up. So be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient. What are we talking about? What are we looking at the thingies? This is a high probability and much more better. So guys, head to YouTube. Flopper, you can't interact with it. Remember what's going on. Good. Oh, I'm goated. Watch me next day this time. I'm calm up and down. I'm never in one place for too long. Send me a voice note now. Who are you? Me also. Come on, send me a voice note. Where is it? I wouldn't even come here to actually think about it. I wouldn't even come here to actually think about it. Shout out, Poison. Shout out. Shout out, Poison. Shout out. Shout out. And this is gonna hold. And this is gonna hold. Like this is gonna hold. Like literally this is gonna hold. Imagine. Like this is gonna hold. Like literally this is gonna hold. Imagine waiting for it, boy. Actually on like currencies, like so your demand, maybe for that. So then the market starts giving you the doesn't make sense. You can use your faith. I don't know if you're my student, you know, like you can use this faith. Immediately after we leave the 12%, immediately after we leave the 12% to the 23, that's when you enter your trade on the demand, right? That's how you give it the 23% the thing on the demand, right? That's how you give it the 23% from that advance, whereby you are going to like risk less, right? You wanna risk less, doesn't make sense. So yeah, another and the profits that you're making here, this is like over 100 pips. Do you see that? That's 1,000 pips. That's like 1,000 points. That's like 100 pips. So what profits that you're gonna get here to take the trade towards the upside? That's how you kill 2 birds with one stone. Doesn't make sense. That's how you kill 2 birds with one stone. So that's the goal. That's the goal for your people and stuff like that. Kill 2 birds with one stone. So that's the goal. That's the goal for your people and stuff like that. People. And what on oil, same thing on oil. Flopper oil is a long-term trade. Like oil is a very long-term trade. Oil is what I'm passing to play with. You peep it. So that's the market just created another leg, A, B, C. You see that? So you want the completion of the B on the fractal movement, and then from there the market then is going to advance towards the upside. Good. So yeah. The people and what are you talking about? Why are you talking about this? And that could be liquidity, right there. That could be liquidity, right? So that right there, that could be liquidity. The DXY. It's like how this thing is going. So yeah, people. So might actually sweep. These were lessons. Let me just do it. These are lessons. These are lessons. So I'm saying that this might be swept because of this high, right? So because of this high, not tap into this is liquidity. Might be looking at 1,000, might like that, right? So yeah, I just gave you game right there. DXY looks bullish. DXY looks bullish. How does DXY look negatively correlated? Negative if we invert scale. Guess what? Guess what? What I'm talking about. So these things are inverted. They just negatively correlated. What I'm talking about. So these things are inverted. They just negatively correlated. The DXY and the Euro USD are at the same pace. They're just opposites. They're just opposites, right? Above right there. Do you see that? It was confusing. Okay, they didn't want a multi-C leg. They didn't want a multi-C leg. What are we looking for on Euro USD? What are we looking for on Euro USD? Aren't we looking for buys? Right? So let me just show you something. I want to show you that the DXY, this is the DXY, remember, right? I'm also do this. Let me also put that dollar sign right there. I'm just trying to show you that this thing is the same thing. You see that once towards the upside. So what are we looking for right now on the DXY? We're looking for the market to actually respect this area of interest right there, and then from there advance towards the upside. This is the DXY to tap into this area of interest. Does it make sense? Now let me show you. Let's see that. Do you see that market came back down, changing order flow, tapped into the advance towards the upside? What are we looking for? We're looking for bullish movements for the market to respect this area of interest and then advance towards the upside. Here's that dollar sign. Do you see that? Do you see that? So these things are the same. The Euro USD, sorry, the Euro USD and the DXY is the same thing. They're just inverting of the USD. So the DXY cannot be bullish and negatively correlated. Does it make sense? Our trade is here. It's near. But it's fine. There's still time. Don't worry. there's still time. Don't worry. Okay, I know that. Don't worry. There's still time. I still advancing towards the upside. Okay, yeah, there's still time. Don't worry. There's still time. There's still time. There's still time. But do you see what I'm talking about? So you can't have thingy possible. It's impossible. It's genuinely impossible. Doesn't make sense. Set up. It's fine. Move on. This is the market. This is the forex market. You don't have to be right. You don't have to prove yourself right. The goal is to show up, allow the market to give you. Actually, immediately after you deposit your money, follow rules. Don't focus on the money. Don't care about the blue screen. Focus on the money, right? Put your stop loss. Enter the trade, put your stop loss, right? Whatever happens, it's genuinely not your problem, right? Wow, beautiful, we made progress there. If it doesn't work out, then they don't hit stop loss, it's fine. Just go to we're just part of liquidity, maybe market. Journal your losses, your wins. You see what I'm talking about? Here, I took sales here, right? Liquidity, and then a loss sign, just waiting and being patient. Doesn't make sense. I was screaming my lungs out, but it didn't help with anything because I took else. I just had to open up my thingy and then journal. Guess what? When the market does this again, am I gonna take the L again? You tell me, am I going to take the L? If the market gives me the same setup again, am I going to take the L again? Never. So if you do not, a loss not journaled is a lesson missed. I just hit you guys with some knowledge right there. Doesn't make sense. So you have to journal your trade. Actually, I like that, right? Yeah, whatever. You have to journal your trades. So journal your trades. General trade. That's how Zane just gave you wisdom. Proper wisdom. W wisdom. Okay. I'm stopping to yappa yappa now. I'm gonna go into Go broke has really. Oh, it did. Oh, beautiful. We're just waiting for second trade right now. That's beautiful. Shout out. You wonder where I've been. One thing to dream of. You tried it, you tried it, but you won't give up. 'Cause in my world, only you make me do when I'm worth. My friends wonder what is wrong. No, I can't. But you won't give up. 'Cause in my world, only you make me do when I'm worth. Yeah, we're just waiting for patient. Be patient, be patient. If I took the treatment after I took I'm telling you now, man. Wait, give me 2 minutes, I'm coming. Okay. Now you see what you define. It's fine, it's fine. Is it 2 hours? Oh, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing.
In a moment, Todd's mom will read your son's internet browsing history.
What?
ExpressVPN apps keep your activity and identity private while you browse, stream, email, or download. To learn more and get 3 extra months of
The trades up and down, up and down. did say that. That's a pretty good thing. So I am taking the bias towards the upside, right? Because of this featherly gap right there, right? Of this featherly gap right there, right? Because of that featherly gap right there. I also take the cells towards the scale.
I'm not gonna let this trade you take away how I feel for you. And my desire to stay. And my desire to stay.
Trading live on YouTube. On YouTube, I'm really active. I'm still waiting on gold. You know what to do. That's beautiful. Yes, I do. I entered this. How you going, boy? Nothing installed by now. That's fine. Who am I? I'm just a boy. Just a boy trying to make it. Basically, it's like advanced just a bit. Cause what's this? What are we looking at? Oh my god! Like this do something. She could this was a knife. Imagine I missed it. Oh. Sadism. Sadism. Guys, I'm bored because I don't know what to. Just say it. Ah, you didn't sleep this high, bro. So how do I want to take you seriously? Didn't see this high. Didn't. Can't take you seriously. Try. Oh. Goes by with just me trying to kill two birds with one stone. It's for 150. That's my take profit. For job 12. The same. And then whatever happens, that's my take profit takeaway. Yo, I hope they don't ban me because I'm streaming live. Like, I'm live. You see that? I'm live on YouTube. So, profit, right? An increase, right? I gave you and then I showed you what to do, right? Do you think one day you might do a lesson on YouTube? I did lessons on YouTube, but YouTube has lessons. But yeah, definitely. Put these vibes at the market switch. Remember the QSP that I was talking about? Remember this? Becoming there. This is, so let's see if there's another use that as our pure app. This is our let's see if we can't get cells. I'm trying to see if I can get music. If I get my Kale, I think I've got what I want.
Many times left, but then I turn around and but when I feel its touch, my love will overflow. It's real to me. Now I know. It's the joy in my morning, in my evening, every day.
I'm gonna say like this. I'm gonna take care. It's gonna be like since yeah, actually since the beginning of where it is right now. Since yeah, I've been saying that yo, this thing is bullish from here. Look how the market move sideways, but it eventually advanced towards the upside. Literally tap into the same option since April. We're talking about this November. Let's say look for bullish move just one still. Maybe if we can get it in out of flow, maybe we might consider it. On the Euro USD stay the same way until the silver stabilizes towards the upside. So that's what we're trying to do right now, to take these cells so that we can take it back towards the upside. So yeah. You wanna learn how to use fruits? Well, I don't either. I don't either. These are just coded. It's something that I've just. So this is my golden zone. Usually use supply and demand. This is my 50% of the supply. It's just technical. Mine is still technical. And then I have my midpoint, which is my premium and discount, which is like straightforward. The 50%, straightforward, 50% above premium, below discounted prices. Doesn't make sense. And then I have the on certain levels that I said when I buy or sell. These are my right point of your A, right? That's you. And I take that's your A, right? That's you. And I take that's 1,000. I send you like this. 1,000. I send you like this thing a lot of time. 50% entry. This is how this thing a lot of time. 50% entry. This is how it looks. Right? It looks. Right? And then we have the take profit. This is how they look. And then we have the take profit. This is how they look. And then we have the premium. And we have the IC. How to give you all my blueprint, step by step. But if you don't know how to, yeah. But I'm pushing, guys, and then I'm live that side. Because I'm tired. I can feel. Yeah. Clean standard. 1.5 likes. Clean. Hey, Euro. Man, let me see how they're coming. I wanna send a text. Bro, how do you do this? How do you use this thing? What are you? gotta get 1K. Exclusive services. My bra. Like, if I get tell on you, wait, let me see. Trying to see here. Oh, command. Oh, okay. Yeah, as I was saying, US30. No, the things that you look out for. Yeah. And then we also have oil. Right, we have oil. We also have US30 on login. So let me do this. Gold is in profit as well. Yeah, those are the pays that I have. These are the pays that I'm looking at. Alright. Oh, GBP USD also in profit. So let me just look at US100. I'm looking at Euro USD. This is oil, Mr. Zwani. This is oil. I'm waiting for it to tap into the 50% mark and be waiting for the to tap in same thing, right? Tap into that and then advance towards the upside, right? NASDAQ, I'm also waiting for the same thing. That's what we're waiting for. Go and take those second trades, slow hope, right? Right, slow hope, right? Right. Hey, what happened? Yeah, those are the trades that I'm looking at. Those are the trades. Hey, what happened? Yeah, those are the trades that I'm looking at. Those are the trades that I'm looking at. Well, USDT, gold is in profits, GBP USD is in profit. So, yeah, engage. I'm that side, but you talk that side. Are we doing good? You talk that side. Are we doing good? Are we good? Are we good? Ah, yes, right. You see that? When I see proper. Okay, man. Right. Then yeah, if you took the trades here, move your stop loss here, right? And then if you took the here, move your stop loss here or here. Have a blessed day, guys. Let's chop it up that side. Yeah, let's chop it up that side by Facebook. That side. Very good. So that I can like reduce this thing. But yeah, man. Again, those were the traders. YouTube. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube.